Today we are going to discuss boundary layers and the boundary layer thickness. But before we do that, I would like to remind you that we had earlier discussed development of Navier-Stokes equations and their solutions. It was noted that it is difficult to solve Navier-Stokes equation analytically or fully because of the nonlinear nature of the equations, and hitherto it has not been possible to solve them completely. However, in certain conditions with certain assumptions and restrictions imposed on the nature of flow, some exact solutions are available, and we had discussed some of them and developed some of the solutions of these Navier-Stokes equations as depicted by the boundary condition imposed on those flows, on those such flows where exact solutions are available. Some of those were plane Couette flow, fully developed plane Poiseuille flow, Couette Poiseuille flow, and so on. And similarly, the creeping motion, the Stokes flow, and so there are few problems can be given as examples where these equations can be solved exactly, but then with lot of restrictions and assumptions imposed on them. However, we would like to discuss today boundary layers. What is a boundary layer? Just define them, and the boundary layer thickness. We want to discuss it today.